ਮਾਈਕ ਖਾਦਮ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਕਮੈਂਟਰੀ ਦਾ ਟੱਚ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਵਿਖਾਣ। ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਸੰਦ ਆएगी ਤੇ ਮਾਈਕ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੀ ਖਾਦਮ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ।
यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान एंड साउथ अफ्रीका, फिफ्थ ODI, Abdul Razak takes strike, Albi Morker right arm round the wicket, ball to Razak, long away, banging away into the crowd for 6 runs. That is a wonderful hit, clean hitter Abdul Razak, all-rounder in the world, he's a champion all-rounder Abdul Razak. Is a wonderful, brilliant effort Abdul Razak. This match 7 wicket down now Pakistan. There is Albi Morker, right hand over the wicket, ball to him, that's a good ball, and opened a bat face tap down to third man area, single and two more runs to Pakistan. Pakistan 288 for 7 now. Pakistan, South Africa, crucial time from Abdul Razak. His life with a beautiful all-rounder in the world. He's a champion all-rounder, number 1 all-rounder in the world. He's a champion man. Razak is takes strike now. Morgan right arm over the wicket to him. Full toss. Hits it hard. Long way up in the roof. 6 more. That is big hit from the lofted one over the wicket. Long handle from Hughes. Abdul Razak take the big strike and massive one into the crowd. 260 is a powerful all-rounder in the champion. He's a world hitter from Team Pakistan. And otherwise, Pakistan, crucial time from Abdul Razak. Takes strike, brilliant hitting. These players is a wonderful effort from Team Pakistan.
जनाब क्लैपिंग, मजा आ गया जनाब, जिंदाबाद।